Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We have got an absolute special treat here today, and that is the 66% scale BD-5 by GB Models. The kit is designed by Gernot Bruckmann out of Germany, and you can buy it. If you Google GB Models, you'll find it. That's the letter G, letter B. I'll have a link in the description. Folks, it is the largest ARF available at this present time of the BD-5. And folks, you're in for a very special treat. So sit back, relax. The captain has turned on the no smoking sign. Please put your tray tables in the upright position and enjoy the flight. We go. Real treat, folks. She is up. Look at that. Just gorgeous.
Yeah. What was the guy? I got one in
Oops.
What? No, AJ.
Folks, you can see just how slow you can get that jet to go. Unbelievable.
Okay. Thanks for the reminder. I remember the prop down. I just... No, I didn't get that. Okay.
So, the best plane ever created is the 2.2 liter microphone. Yeah, I am.
Oops. Sorry about that, folks.
Well, one of those is about $3 grand without anything in it, about $8 grand with everything in it. A 2.8.
I was just looking at that one.
Yeah, do you have one? What? Isn't it something like you...
stunning about this jet, folks, is how slow he can get it to go. It's really amazing.
Buy a better car. Hey, I don't want a better car. I want to make yeah, the Matrix. My car with your Matrix. That would never work. The car would just run it over. I'm pretty sure. Exactly. Dad, never do that if you're gonna make it. Well, if I tell my friend was trying I chose my van as the I chose my Everything is calm.
Slow pass, and I'll drop the gear. Okay, good.
I love these slow passes.
Oh, beautiful gear. Whoop, beautiful gear pass there, folks. Love the scale landing gear that they designed for this plane. Just gorgeous. Oh, beautiful approach, folks. Gorgeous approach. Oh, microjet butter there, folks. Microjet butter doesn't get any smoother than when you're flying a microjet. Fantastic, just gorgeous. Folks, continue the coverage of this fine 66% scale BD-5. We've got with us here the owner and the builder here. Sir, welcome here to Joe and Nall. You having fun?
Thank you very much. Having a great time.
Tell us your name and where you're from, sir.
My name is Jay Fair. Drove down from Long Island, New York.
Jay, tell us a little bit about the BD-5. Now, I understand you were just chatting a second ago. You mentioned that you are also the builder as well.
That is correct.
Fantastic. Come on over here. Let's take a look at some of the BD-5. Let's walk through some of the features here. Now, you've got this fantastic scale wheel. Now, was that included in the kit when you bought it?
It is, and if you notice, there's no nose wheel steering. It just works off of differential braking, and this is just kind of a caster wheel with springs attached on the inside here, which helps it recenter.
That is amazing. So no nose gear steering, just differential braking on the main.
That is correct.
And the mains have brakes, obviously. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Awesome,
Which
fantastic.
I hooked up to the rudder. So what happens is I hit left rudder, then, or let's say right rudder. If I hit right rudder, the right brake will kind of give some tension there and cause the aircraft to cast on its nose wheel to the right.
Fantastic. Now this cockpit was stunning. Come on over on this side, if you will. Tell me a little bit about the cockpit. I have never seen anything so highly detailed before as this particular cockpit here.
Sure. Now that, for the most part, the instrument panel, I can't take any credit from. That comes directly from Gernot Bruckmann, pretty much done just like that. I also received this piece here, which I guess that would be, I'm not sure if that's the thrust lever. No, this kind of, you know what? This is the gear lever along with the flap lever. So that came just like that. Thrust lever came the same way that you see it there. And then we have the kind of joystick over there. That was a piece from him, and I 3D printed the holder there. So pretty much this is the way it comes. He kind of gives you raw pieces here as far as the seat tub and the seat backing. And then I wrap them in vinyl so I can get the metal look. And I made actually my brother Russ from R&R Scale Detail made the leather pieces there.
That is fantastic. Now I'm seeing here, it looks like scale latches. You actually have functional scale latches for the canopy. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Would you mind going over there, close that canopy for the folks at home, show them just how scale this canopy
Sure.
actually is.
So the way that it closes right now while you're filming, I'll show you. You can see how the latches work there.
Do that for me one more time, if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah, sure, you bet.
Fantastic, unbelievable.
And then, of course, I set it where once the gear is retracted, then the mechanism will no longer operate, so that it never opens up in flight.
That is stunning, just like the full scale.
In order to close it here, you do have to kind of be surgical about it because it's a lot of moving parts in here.
I think that was the same with the full scale as well.
Probably. Let's see. There we go. Now it's closed. And then you just kind of latch it right here. It takes a little bit of massaging there, and there you go. She's
Fantastic,
locked.
Just amazing. Well, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, what is the wingspan on this particular aircraft?
The wingspan, you and I should have wrote all of that stuff down. I do believe it's just about 11 feet.
About 11 feet. Fantastic.
That is correct.
Well, this is absolutely fantastic. You gave a great flight, really stellar. I was ecstatic to see it.
Thank you very much.
Now you have Sky Candy landing lights in there, is that correct?
That is correct. All lights were purchased from Sky Candy. I believe that these are actually UAV lights that Sky Candy offers.
Wonderful. Just amazing.
Really
really
amazing.
amazing.
Elevator.
Oh, yeah, full flying. Wow.
All
Look at that.
CHA servos.
Look at that. Now, what size turbine do you have in there, by the way?
This is a King Tech K210. The aircraft, although it's very large, it's bulky, it's actually only 100 inches long. So it's actually a lot shorter than, like, let's say my Rebel Pro. So you would think that it takes a big turbine to fly something like this,
right?
But the dry weight of it is only 45 pounds. So it's actually extremely light. Right now it has fuel in it, and I can demonstrate here that even with fuel in it.
Wow. That is light. I could tell by your flying speeds, you were able to keep it really slow. Really slow.
Yeah,
well,
it really
wonderful.
slows down amazingly. That was only the third flight.
And my friend, you're a full-scale pilot as well, am I correct?
I am.
What do you fly?
A320, A321.
Well, there you go, folks. The man has experience with jets even in his professional life. My friend, thank you so much, folks. This has been a special treat here at Joe Nall 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe, and more to come.
Always a pleasure, Saul.